Hey guys, it's Joe, lead calibrator here with VMP Performance. We have my 2017 F-150 on the dyno with the new VMP Gen3 2650 supercharger. In preparation for ModNationals, we decided to throw a bit more power at the truck with the goal of a 10-second quarter mile. In terms of power, we added a VMP Gen3 with a 79mm pulley. Previously, the truck had a VMP Gen2R with a 79mm pulley. So the difference between the Gen3 and Gen2R there is going to be about 4 pounds of boost. Such is the case, we decided to upgrade the fuel injection system to include a set of ID 1050s, a VMP plug-and-play fuel pump voltage booster, and the use of C16 Race fuel just to make sure everything from an octane standpoint is nice and happy. When you're doing stuff like this in a stock engine, it's always good to have that octane there to just try and add a little insurance that the stock engine's gonna stay together when you're pushing it really hard like we are. Because we're adding so much boost, we decided that it's a very good idea to start freeing up some of the exhaust flow on the truck. Previously, I had just an MBRP catback with a set of stock manifolds and a stock Y-pipe. We gave the guys at Dynatech a call, got a set of headers coming with a Dynatech Y-pipe. We installed those headers, fitment and everything on the headers is pretty good. Really look forward to seeing what they do in terms of adding power to the truck and helping us support the boost level that we're running with Gen3. To support the suspension side of things, to help make sure the truck hooks up and we don't get any wheel hop while we're out at the ModNationals event, we put a Belltech 1000 SP lowering kit on the truck with the addition of a set of Caltracs that's made specifically for a flip kit and some Bilstein Rear shocks. We actually did a fun video showing how the suspension reacts in stock form to a bit more power even on stock tires to just kind of give you an idea of why we did all that suspension work to help keep things planted well while we're out at the racetrack. So now that we got all these new mods on the truck, we're throwing it up on the dyno to verify that everything from a fueling standpoint, from a timing standpoint, from a power standpoint, is where it needs to be for the ModNationals event so that we can be successful with a 10-second pass. With the Gen2R setup, we were at 600 rear horsepower on 93 on what I'd consider to be a pretty conservative tune, with just the only other mod being to the truck, the MBRP catback. Hoping to see over 700 rear horsepower with the Gen3 on C16 without really trying. It's worth mentioning that all of these parts were installed here at VMP. If you're looking to do something like this with your truck, give us a call, get something scheduled. We can get all the parts coming for you, get them all installed so that you can simulate both what Justin and I have done with our trucks. The truck is going to be going a lot further in terms of where we're taking it power-wise with the Gen3. The plan is to eventually throw a forged short block in it with forged rods, forged pistons, and crank up the boost a lot more on a fuel system that's ready for E85 for the truck. Make sure you like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to continue to see awesome content like this.